Hey, everyone! Remember the Shiro Dashi that has appeared a few times in my videos? Today, I'll show how to make it. Shiro Dashi is a versatile Japanese seasoning that combines the umami of dashi with the flavors of soy sauce, sake, and mirin. Using it can elevate any Japanese dish to be delicious. Add dried shiitake mushrooms and kombu to water and let it sit in the fridge for 12 hours. Be careful not to let it sit for more than 12 hours, as the kombu can develop a slimy texture and a strong seaweed smell. Actually, at this stage, the umami of the shiitake mushrooms are not yet active. The amino acids that produce guanylic acid, the umami in dried shiitake mushrooms, activate between 60 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius. However, dried shiitake mushrooms also contain enzymes that break down guanylic acid, which are activated between 30 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius. Therefore, it's crucial to minimize the time spent between 30 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius as much as possible. Once it reaches around 90 degrees Celsius, turn off the heat and add the bonito flakes. The ideal temperature for extracting umami from bonito flakes is around 85 degrees Celsius, but considering the small amount of water, the temperature is raised to 90 degrees Celsius to account for the drop when adding the flakes. You can probably tell from the rich color that a deeply concentrated umami has been extracted, evaporating the alcohol from the sake and mirin, leaving behind only the flavors and sweetness. Time for sake. This time, I'm enjoying a bottle of mirin from Gyudon in Kyoto, Kanpai. It boasts an elegant sweetness, fresh fruity aroma, and a crisp finish, making it a versatile pairing for various dishes. Once the sake and mirin have boiled for about a minute, turn off the heat. Add salt and mix well. You can increase the salt by 5 grams according to your preference. Once the salt has dissolved, add soy sauce and dashi and mix well. It can be stored in the fridge for over a month. Using it instead of soy sauce can make your dishes even more delicious, so feel free to try it in various recipes. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that subscribe and turn on notifications, so you never miss a new video.